Watch this video and learn how to draw a ladybug. Later in the show, there's a song break with Bunny Fluffington. And keep watching to the end to see Mikey Marker's joke break. Are you ready, little artists? Are you ready, Artie? It's time for Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
No. Artie's not in the mood today.
What? You're not in the mood?
No.
Are you kidding?
Just kidding. Of course, Artie wanna make art.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
Are you ready to make some art?
Ready?
Do you like insects?
Yeah.
Let's draw a ladybug.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait. Yeah, let's start. Okay, drawing time.
Let's start by drawing our ladybug's eyes. A nice oval on the left side of the page. Oh, it looks like you've drawn an egg, Artie.
Yeah.
And now let's draw another oval or egg shape right next to the first one. And then draw two really small ovals towards the bottom inside and shade them in black.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No, it never is.
Oh, good. That's what I was going for.
Oh, Mikey, you're so silly.
He's very silly, Bunny. You're quite right. Little artists, if Artie's drawing a little bit too quick and you're struggling to catch up, here's a message from Louie. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. Okay, Artie, now let's draw our ladybug's face, or head. A curved line on the left, and then another curved line coming down on the right. Now let's join both those curved lines together, making a circle. That's great. Now let's add in a big, smiley mouth. A curved line at the top and another one underneath.
Hi, Artie.
Here's Bunny.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure.
Oh,
Wow. Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie.
thank you.
Good job. Stay positive. Bye.
Bye.
Bunny always has something positive to say, doesn't she, Artie?
Yeah.
Now, how about we draw a tongue at the bottom, a curved line with a little straight line, and then let's do some teeth along the top, and then shade in the middle part nice and black. Let's go in the backyard later, Artie, and see if we can find an actual ladybug.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay. Oh.
That'll be an adventure. Now let's draw our ladybug's antennae.
Bunny.
Well, no, antennae, Artie. It's the sort of little sticks that stick up from the top of insects' heads.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it, too.
Now let's draw the left antennae.
Antennae.
Yes, that's right. Artie's learned a new word. Did you know, Artie, insects use their antennae for touch and smell? That's how they smell.
No. Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Now let's draw a big curve going all the way across the middle of the page. That's our ladybug's back.
Artie thinks we should have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
That's a really good idea. Let's do it.
Okay, song break.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Oh, that was fun. Artie loves song breaks.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Well done.
Oh, thank you.
Let's carry on with the drawing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right.
Now let's draw the first of our ladybug's legs. Draw a sort of oval shape, shaded in black, and then a straight line going up. It should look a little bit like a musical note. That's it, Artie. Shade it in. Coming up, don't miss Mikey Marker's joke break. It's funny. We're going to have to draw lots of legs, Artie.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ladybugs have lots and lots of legs. They really do look like musical notes, don't they, Artie? Oh, here's Bunny again.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Wow, you are so talented.
Thank you.
I admire you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Wow, I think you have an admirer, Artie. A little furry pink one. Looks like you're really having fun with this drawing, Artie.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself.
Well, that's good. You should always enjoy art. That's the #1 reason for creating a drawing or a piece of art.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
Me too, Betty.
Art makes us all happy, guys. We all enjoy watching Artie draw, and we all enjoy drawing ourselves.
Have you seen Painty around?
Well, luckily, no, I have not.
No, neither have I. Uh-oh, here comes Painty.
Oh, Painty. Now I'm going to have to clean that up. Red paint everywhere. Ugh. Where's my cloth? It's over here. It's over here. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay, I'm cleaning it. Ugh, Painty. Now my cleaning cloth has red paint on it.
Very funny.
I don't know. I don't think Painty's very funny. Okay, let's draw the bottom part of our ladybug's body. That's it, Artie.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Let's draw a tail on the back, Artie. A big, long, curly, spiralling tail. I don't think ladybugs actually have tails, but why not? A little bit of artistic
Oh, I would really like a joke break.
A joke break?
Yeah,
Okay, why not?
yeah.
See if Mikey's ready.
Okay, Mikey, can we have a joke break?
Hey kids, it's another joke break. All right, here we go. Where do crayons go on vacation? Colorado. What is a cat's favorite color? Purple. Why did the crayon cry? It was feeling blue.
That was a good joke break.
It was funny.
Yeah. Oh, Artie laughed a lot.
Let's finish the drawing.
Oh, yeah, drawing. Okay.
Let's draw some circles inside our ladybug's body. We'll draw a few, spread out, and shade them in black. Here's the first one, Artie. Good job. These spots remind me of that dog that lives down the street, Artie. You know, the one with the spots on the side of its body?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm trying to remember its name. Oh, I remember. It's called Spot.
Yeah. Spot.
Shade it in carefully, Artie. Maybe one more in the middle at the bottom. That's it.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Now let's draw a few dots at the top. Perhaps another 1 or 2 or 3, I don't know. What do you think?
4.
4 more, okay. Wow, it's looking really good, Artie. You seem to really be having fun with this today. I think you're enjoying yourself.
Oh, this is the best day of my life.
Well, I don't know about that.
Yeah. Well, okay.
I mean, I'm sure it's a really good day, but best day of your life? I don't know. This ladybug's looking very spotty.
That's pretty cool.
Did you know why ladybugs have spots, Artie?
No.
It's so they don't get eaten by other insects. It makes them look like they won't taste good. They're very pretty, but perhaps they don't taste so good. I don't know. I've never eaten a ladybug.
I finished.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very creative.
Yeah.
What now?
Oh, I think I want to color it in. Yeah.
Good idea.
Okay.
Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
All done.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah.
It came out so good.
Yeah, it came out really, really good.
Great work.
Oh, thank you.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Thank you for watching. I hope you have an Artie day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye.